Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to FindGap, and in today's video, we will use ChatGPT to help strategize the development of content agency focused on soccer analysis in the United States and Europe. We will gather ideas from ChatGPT such as developing a niche, identifying competitors, and creating a list of potential interviews within the field for content creation. Through this example, you will see ChatGPT will serve as a helpful tool in starting that business and understanding the necessary components to establish it. So without any delay, let's move toward practical. First of all, I'm going to type here, I'm starting a content agency like blog posts, ads, and social media called. So this name is for no reasons. What are some considerations that we should take into account? Let me press enter. Okay, starting a content agency like Open sounds like an exciting venture. Here are some considerations you should take into account: target audience, market research, service offered, and brand identity, team composition and quality assurance, pricing structure, marketing and promotion, client relationship, legal and financial consideration, and continuous learning and adoption. So now you can see that. Let me read a point so we can understand that what it have replied to us. Clearly defines your target audience, understand their demographics, interests, pain points, and preferences. Tailor your content services to meet their need effectively. Friends, I have read a book like Project Management, and if we think about this point, I can say that this is the summary of that. These two words are the summary of that book. When you move into a business, you should focus on the interest of your customers and what are the pain points, what are the problems that your customers are facing. And you can see that I believe that it have replied me very intelligently. And now market research, obviously conduct through market research to understand the competitive landscape, industry trends, and clients' demands. Identify gap in the market that your agency can fulfill. Obviously the second part is also very important, and you can follow these parts. And obviously let me type here interested in soccer and soccer teams in the United States and Europe. What should be my niche in this area? Let me press enter, and now you can see that it will reply me with the niche that I should choose. Okay, the first point it have gave me is team analysis and insights. Provide in-depth analysis and insights into various soccer teams, including their performance, tactics, player statistics, and strategies. This could appeal to fans who are passionate about understanding the intricacies of their favorite teams. So friends, obviously this one paragraph contain a lot of ideas to make content like player statistics. For example, if Ronaldo is in that team, how much the goals he made, how much and how much match he has played, and this type of stuff. So this single word contain a dozens of content ideas. Like you can imagine that how much football teams are in Europe and United States. So they have many players, many past players. You can also cover the past players. So this type of stuff. And transfer rumors and news. Keep fans updated on the latest transfer rumors. For example, which match are occurring and who is winning the match, when is World Cup. So this type of news. And for example, if something personal happens in a player's life, you can also add that in a news. So now you can see that overall it is giving us idea like youth development academies and fan engagement and community building and cross-continental comparisons. Now let me move on, and here I will type, let's focus on tactical analysis and strategy. Who would my competitor be? Let me press enter, and now you can see that it is telling me my competitors like media outlets, soccer blogs and websites, YouTube channels, podcasts, social media influencers, and sports analytics companies, and academic institutions. So obviously, let me type here another thing like make a list of top 10 people in the field who would be good to interview about tactical analysis in soccer across the United States and Europe. Let me press enter, and now you can see that it is replying me. One thing you have to keep in mind that this tool is will give data before 2022, but now it's 2024, so maybe the player's name would be changed, but it will reply me the data based on the before 2022. Michael Cox, Jonathan Wilson, and Gary Neville. Obviously, friends, you can see that it have give me players that I can interview, not players, but top 10 people to which I can interview to create content on my blog or YouTube channel. And in the last, let me type here another interested question like make a table with this information, including the cities where they are lived or they are based on their and their distance from New York. Let's suppose I live in New York and I have to go to these peoples. So I also want to get the distance from New York so I can strategize myself that this person will be contain this distance from my house. So let me press and because I have type make a table with this information, let's see what it is going to reply us. So you can see that it have replied me in the form of table that the Michael Cox expertise, he has expertise about tactical analysis and he lives in London and England, and from my house he have 33,400, not from my house but from New York, 3,461 miles of distance he has. And here you can see that. So friends, this was the technique that how we can use ChatGPT in our businesses. In this video, we have learned that which business we should choose, which will be our competitors, and if we want, because we also want to interview some important persons in our field. So we also even know the distance between ourselves and their houses. So friends, if you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. I will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.